Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is another video about the Amazon Fire HD8. This is the Amazon Fire HD8 released in 2024, in October 2024. And in this video, I'll show you how to expand the storage of your Amazon Fire HD8 with an Amazon Basics memory card. I'll link in the description to where you can purchase these. They're usually very affordable and very reliable. I've been using Amazon Basics memory cards with my Amazon devices and other devices for a few years now, so I can vouch for them. And I recently purchased these on the Amazon Big Prime Day deals, or Prime Big Day Deals Day, where the 128GB card was less than £10 sterling. Anyway, I'll link to it in the description. Depending on when you watch this video, the price may be different. Anyway, in terms of packaging, the Amazon Basics card is pretty straightforward. It doesn't have that much plastic in it, and luckily it comes with a standard SD card adapter. So this is the MicroSD card, 128GB. It comes with a SD card adapter, so you can pop it in a camera or use that to put it into your laptop if you wish to. But what I'm going to do here is take the Amazon Fire HD8 tablet. You see that's on, it's got ads on it, and I'm going to go to the bottom of the device, so bottom right of the device if you're looking at the tablet with the selfie camera in the top middle there. I'm going to pop open this little flap with my fingernail, and then take the card and face the card with the writing towards the top. No, the writing towards the little bit with the metal contacts facing the inside of the screen. Does this work? Did I get it right? Maybe not. Other way around. So the writing towards the inside of the screen, and it goes in. You need to push it in with your nail until you hear it click, and then close it. So this should now show up. I'll just unlock my screen. This should now show up as an option for storage. Just clear my notifications. So to go into settings, and then we'll scroll down to storage. You'll see that I have used 4.2GB of my device storage, and then it reads the memory card as corrupted. That's because it's not been formatted yet. So this storage device is corrupted. To use this storage device, you have to first set it up. So I'm going to set that up. Now it asks us, how will you use this SD card? Am I going to use this as internal storage or set it up later? Or am I going to use it as portable storage? Now, if you use it as portable storage, you can then pop it into your computer, transfer some videos, photos, content over, and then watch it on the tablet or use it on the tablet. I'm going to use this as portable storage. That does not stop you from transferring apps and content you download in apps to the microSD card. So you'll see it's going to take a while to go through the microSD, and then once it's ready to use, it gives you the options automatically selected to download films and TV programs, photos and personal videos, audiobooks, and so on to your SD card. So let's just prove that. So I'm going to go into the Amazon Prime Video app, which I have here. So in this case, I'm watching, and it says downloads. I don't have any downloads on this device. So what I'm going to do is let's look at Prime, where I have lots of content available to me. Movies I think I'll like, British TV series, popular movies. Oh look, there's all the James Bonds. Citadel Diana. Something that I will want to maybe watch on a flight where I won't have fast internet to stream. Let's see. Die Hard. Wait, was that Die Hard? No, Space Cadet. Die Hard, wrong one. Anything you would recommend? Let me know in the comments. Here we go. So Season 1 of The Caped Crusader. I've heard good things about this. It's going to give us options to go to English, no additional language. And I'm going to go for the best size, 7.7 gigabytes. But before we do that, let's just double check settings. Stream and download. Download quality, always ask. Okay, so that should have download videos to SD card. Fantastic. So we can go back here, download the first season, no additional language, best quality, 7.7 gigabytes, and that should start the download to my SD card. And we get a little notification. So Season 1, Episode 1, on my relatively fast internet connection, has already downloaded. So there we are, 83, 93, 100%. That was pretty fast. So let's go and have a look at our storage, just to prove that that's happening. So yes, it's already used 135 megabytes of the 126 gigabytes of the device. Now obviously the eagle-eyed amongst you will have seen that this is actually a 128 gigabyte card, but because of formatting you do lose a little bit of storage compared to the headline number. In this case, 126 of 128 is usable, which is pretty decent. Meanwhile, you can see that the downloads of the Caped Crusader carry on, so I'll be able to watch these videos on an upcoming flight. Anyway, that was a quick setup and demonstration of the MicroSD card being used to expand storage on the Amazon Fire HD8. The Amazon Fire HD8 released in late 2024. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and pretty much anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.